How would you like to make money without any real qualifications, knowledge, or accountability? You could start tomorrow. Hi, and welcome to Better Business with Ben Comfort. With me, Ben Comfort. Alternative medicines are often tried and tested cons and hustles that have no real oversight, no real requirements for effectiveness, but can have huge profit margins. A well-meaning but credulous client base will be more than happy to part with money for a kindly, sympathetic ear. This really is in lieu of significant governmental and mainstream medical investment into long-term mental health and physical well-being. These are multi-billion-dollar a year industries masquerading as cutesy cottage businesses. All this sounds great, but how do I get involved? Listen on for a few tips. Ben Comfort. I'm going to show you how to make a wellness infusion. So, first of all, we need some ingredients. Here we have some lavender. This is great for bedwetting. Here we have some rose. This is good for sexual health. We've got Szechuan peppercorns. These are great for headaches. We've got some cardamom. This is fantastic for your heart. And then we've got cinnamon bark, which is really good for circulation. And then we have green tea. People like it. In it goes. And what do we have here? $60. Now what I've got here is just some water. Remember, in homeopathy, like cures like. So if you're feeling a bit ill, you put a little bit of sick in there, and then you take a droplet of that and put it into another one, take the droplet out, put it into another one, and then you sort of shake it around, flick it or something. Then what you have here is an excellent cure for any illness. And then what I'm going to do is pour it in. Here we are. What do I have here? $20. And to be honest, you don't even have to put the sick in because no one will know. Always use meaningless comfort terms like natural, green, traditional, or chemical free. You want to come over as one of the good guys. But remember, these industries are effectively the holy grail of capitalism. High profit, low accountability. And these are backed by powerful lobbyists that will slap on legal silencers or aggressive lawsuits to any dissenting voice. As long as the prevailing mainstream medical industry refuses to get its own house in order, a sick and disgruntled population will keep coming back to buy this nonsense for many years to come. Cheers. And remember, always be better business. Claire, edit out that fucking image of me on the loo. Yeah, no, I don't want to look like a greasy bloody prick. Yeah, no, Jason should have done it. Yeah. No, I don't care if she's sick. You can stay here till the end of the day. Fucking hell.